You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this curious word. I know it's a bit curious, and I believe it comes from French, which is probably why the spelling is curious. Let's learn how to pronounce it. Palpation. Pal, it's a ah sound, alright? Some may say it a bit more as palpation. It's almost like an ah sound. It should be an ah sound. Palpation. Palpation. Yes, you want to stress on that P syllable. Yes, I know, I always get confused. Is it palpation or palpation? Well, it's palpation. Stress on the second syllable. Palpation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.